Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy named Dinah. So this video has been long overdue, anticipated, and finally here. Okay. So my sister made the Bloves sauce from scratch, not the packet. We will get the packet one of these days. But yes, it's here.
That actually looks
It looks very similar to. It looks just like Bloves, so I'm gonna put that right here. Sister already prayed for the food. So we got some shrimp, we got sausage, we got cucumbers, we got eggs, and we got some lemon for the lemon rain. About to get it in. I'm gonna try with the sausage. I've been waiting my whole life for this. Oh my god! Look at that. Ah. Yeah.
wow. It is good with the cucumber.
Yo, B. That's why I've been slapping. Yo, they're watching the game behind me. But this sausage. Look at her.
It's better with the cucumber.
Yo, you know.
Oh, wow. That is good. He's throwing the game.
It is spicy.
Hold on, Nana.
Oh, I didn't even try the sausage and the cucumber.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Egg.
Yeah, this is in the thing.
Nana will be right back.
Yeah,
Put on the egg.
I thought he's throwing it out.
And with the sausage and
Holy.
cucumber. It's good. Wow. That's good.
Another highlight for us. No, I thought
What?
Why is it so for you?
So good.
This is Bloveslife?
Yeah, her sauce.
right there.
Shout out to Bees Love Life. The sauce is amazing.
Is that the sauce?
Thank you to our sister Nia, who's right here. You can't see her, but she's eating.
I made it.
Her mama.
No, I made it.
But so good.
Is this your food?
All right. Whew. I needed a little break. I need some water.
Daddy, where's the keys?
Yo.
You're right. It's not what I expected. I don't know what I expected, but it's still good though.
What's in this?
That's so
That's so different from what I thought. Yeah, me too.
Whew.
Like there's some.
There's different flavors, man. It's just so good.
You can probably omit like the pepper or whatever to make it less spicy.
Can you put me some rice, please?
Over here.
Smell the eggs.
Hey, I don't like cucumbers. I don't like cucumbers, but I will try it. I'll give it a bite.
You like it? It's like a refresher.
It's good.
Is that, what is that?
With the sausage with the rice. It's good.
Can you try the cucumbers?
That's right on camera.
I want the egg.
Here. Get egg. Get in. Oh my God, what are we doing? I forgot the lemon.
I want the ginger.
Oh, that is hella good.
Yo,
I mean, I can feel it, but it just tastes so good.
that's how it was in New Orleans when I.
should have boiled some potatoes.
Yeah, I know next time.
Oh,
Can you grab me some?
Do what?
Potatoes?
Take the potatoes from here.
Yeah. It's bomb with the lemon.
Is it?
Woo. And the cucumber is good.
Next time we have to try lobster tail.
Yeah. Yo, shout out to Bloveslife for this amazing sauce.
You know,
This is not the packet, but I can only imagine what the packet tastes like.
that is so filled in the refrigerator. Can you grab the pitcher of water? Please and thank you.
This is heaven in a bowl, man.
I mean, yeah, seafood. So it looks like more.
It's so packed with seasoning.
That's amazing. Oh my god.
The sausage and the cucumber and the...
Yeah, it's actually good. Yo, this is gonna be that.
It's really good.
It's worth it though. I mean, dang. If it was lemon rain, hey.
Yummy. The sleeves need to come off though. This is mine right here.
Jim, can you get more rice?
Did you try it?
Woo. Bro, this sauce is so bomb.
The sauce.
You need to try it.
I feel like it's good though.
It's just a taste you're not used to.
I just feel like it's just so many flavors.
Like, I'm not used to this flavor, girl.
Yeah, it's still good.
It's a little overwhelming.
It's the Saints?
Come on, you're gonna eat that?
That's good.
Step on in here and show your face. Yo, so this little lady's mama made this sauce.
Give me the
It's so good. Oh Lord.
No, but this was most definitely, I didn't expect
Yeah,
for it to taste like that.
No, that's good for
Like, you know, like Shantae's Italian
yeah.
shrimp? That's what I thought it would taste like.
Yo, you gotta try it with the lemon.
Oh, yeah.
I know. Next one. This sauce, I can't get enough. It's good with the lemon. Try with the lemon. Oh, you don't do lemon.
I mean, I do, but not really a fan of the shrimp, but with the egg and sausage and cucumbers.
Yo, get what your budget, where your budget fits. This is where my budget fits right here, okay?
The cucumbers surprised me the most.
This is hella bomb, huh? I know, cause I don't do cucumber, but that right there, whew,
Wow.
that was different. Come on in.
Nice.
All right. She's like one of my regular guests. She's one of my regular guests on the channel. My girl Diva. We're still waiting for her. Still waiting for her channel. You know, Diva Logs. Alright. Alright, sorry guys. I'm gonna readjust you guys a little bit. Alright. There she is.
How many acres did they say?
Yo.
Powerful, man.
It is.
The ginger is it's strong, but it's good.
Imagine what it tastes like with crab legs.
Yeah, I know.
Now I think.
I think who is it? Just unlock it. Open! Oh, hi. You have some guests. Oh, yes. Well, he's coming on now. Yeah, let me scoot in.
Oh my god! It's good. It's very spicy.
She's not as spicy.
No, I am.
So,
I need the rice.
got that egg.
Rice.
Got that egg. Yo, we're poly, so we use hands for our rice.
Oh, that's my salad. Love it.
Got a little shrimp, which is alright. What are you doing?
Take the dissidents to
Oh.
It's really good.
This is long and it's not that spicy. It's not as spicy as I thought it was because she loves spicy. So I'm thinking it's gonna be like super duper spicy. It's just perfect. It's just perfect. You know, somebody mad that couldn't use the turtle Saturday. Alright. We're gonna do it. That's it. We're gonna do it like B. Okay? She dips. Then she lemon rains. Then she dips again. Then she eats. And then I
And these fishes, their teeth off.
And that she was coming off.
I was sure it was lobster tail or something.
I know. Something more meat.
Meaty. You can scoop it all up.
Yeah.
And damn, really sure.
I don't care. I don't care. I use this. This is my tank top from last week something. Yo. This was well worth it. This was worth it.
Wait, when did you start the video?
It feels good.
Okay.
It kind of tastes like kimchi. That's all.
Kimchi.
The kimchi cucumber.
A cucumber sauce for the kimchi. With this. Whew. Again, shout out to Be Love for the recipe. Whew. It's amazing. Amazing. Yo, share this video and make sure that Be Bloveslife sees this. Okay? And if you want to throw us on her video, that'd be great too. We need her in Seattle. Okay? Again, help me get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I think like every 100 I make, I'll do a giveaway. And then 1,000, I'll do a
Have you
big
done a giveaway yet?
Not yet. So if I hit 300, once we hit 300, I'll do a gift card giveaway. Yes, you may, bro. Yo, man, this sauce is just stupid. Oh my god, why are you here still? I thought you were gonna leave me. Boy.
Be loved.
Oh yeah, so you end up liking the sauce.
What about favorite sauce on your Like I cooked the other sausage for you. They say
Oh, yeah.
and me and the mom, he's working.
Ew. Come on,
I
ice.
would be more spicy. I thought it would be
More ice
more
cream?
spicy.
It is spicy.
I know, but like more.
Yeah, because she loves spicy, spicy.
Yeah.
So,
Maybe her she makes it more spicy.
because she does the 2 times spicy in it too. I'm like, oh, hell no. No way, girl. This right here is the perfect amount of spice.
How long did it take to do this? An hour?
Yeah, look, everything is like, you just put it together and then done.
And boil?
That is so nice.
She's gone.
I haven't drinking water yet.
Try it with the lemon. Yes, Dad. No, I
We're
don't.
gonna try it with the lemon.
Okay, hold on. Not all bakers know how to make bouillon sauce. Sorry. Really, girl?
Sorry.
You know what? Just for that, I'm not baking for you guys no more.
That's true, man.
What?
So, but
I'll only bake when I want to.
Wait, can you give me
the lemon has a lot. I
Because I heard
need
it.
to get more rice.
I heard that.
Do you know how to make bouillon? Oh, you didn't get your mom's, huh? Her secret recipe?
Diva knows. Diva knows how to make it. Girl, you all up in my hammer.
Oh, sorry. Okay, give me another sausage.
Sorry. Let's shake my head.
Another rice coming through.
Okay, I'm done.
You're done, right?
Compare that I'm done.
Yeah. I'm waiting for them to go.
Me too.
If you're done, then you might have. You guys probably been eating
Who
for
did
a while.
Who did the sausage, cucumber, and rice?
Him.
Shrimp?
Him eats.
Shout out to Kim, whoever.
Shout out to him for starting this trend. The cucumber sausage and rice.
Oh, I think I see.
I didn't eat with him.
Eat with him.
Oh,
It's good.
Yeah, the cucumber is like really refreshing
we got to talk about that.
on the palate. If you see the sausage flying out of her mouth from laughing. Whoa.
Any more sausages?
I'm just now noticing it.
Sorry.
Sorry.
There's one right there.
There's one left. Yeah. And we're out.
No, no, we're not out yet.
We're not out yet. Let's do one. And we're out. Okay.
Nice.
Yo.
Nice.
Well, my mom
Whew.
would say, yeah, right.
She's out.
Not me.
Yo, who's winning?
Yeah. That one.
Hey.
Yeah, I can eat the sausage by itself.
So much lemon.
I like the egg in it. The egg would have to be a must. Oh, I would want to taste the corn.
I'm pretty good.
This is definitely going to be done again
Before.
with different seafoods and bigger shrimp.
Yeah.
That's a budget shrimp.
Yeah, this is this right here is the shrimp you put in your fried rice. This is not the shrimp that
You did.
is used to dip. Okay, we're gonna need some.
You see that?
We need some tiger
Prawns.
some tiger prawns or some tiger shrimp, whatever. If you want to sponsor this video,
Oh wait, mommy.
if you want to sponsor our next seafood boil,
This right
let me know.
there.
Okay?
Part of the video.
Let me,
You just now became a part.
let me know.
No, I've been part of the video.
Let me know, alright? Whew. So we got
This
bowls.
is the sauce.
Yes.
Where's the liquid?
You want to do the lemon rain? You gonna get some lemon rain in there?
I just used it.
Bring your thing over. Your shrimp. Alright, she's gonna got some lemons. She's gonna dip it in the sauce. She's just gonna. Is it good? Yo,
Are you guys gonna eat the cucumber?
go ahead.
I just don't want it to go to waste.
She's full, but she wanna eat the cucumbers too.
I'm full. I'm really full.
Yeah.
Whew. You should give it to your grandma, see if she likes them.
Hit the ball?
Mom, you wanna try this sauce?
Yeah, you hit the ball.
It's a famous sauce on YouTube.
On YouTube.
Oh,
Give her the cucumber.
With the try it with the cucumber.
She's too full.
Give it to grandpa.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
She said you're welcome. Flip it.
The lemon.
See, no, put the lemon right there. Put the whole peel in your hand. Yeah, yeah.
Nice.
And then squeeze, baby, squeeze. There you go. Oh, look at that lemon rain. She's letting it rain on that shrimp. That shrimp is drowning. There's lemon pepper, onion, garlic, ginger.
Oh, ginger. No, looking like the other.
The pickled ginger. You got the pink one too, huh? Yeah, that one's like, woo.
I eat that. I eat that with the.
Look at all that
Oh, the
goodness.
pink one. They have at the sushi place?
Oh, look at
And
that.
what you talking about?
Yeah, yeah. And then you grab your hands in the thing. Yeah, now the lemon and you
Oh, that's what that is.
yeah. Ginger, onion. Okay,
Oh, wait, ginger and
let me see what happens. Oh, sorry. Okay. I'm gonna give you guys a close up of what this looks like.
that's
Ooh!
ginger and onion and the
That's a shrimp. Oh, that's a shrimp.
and
This is
lemon.
the rain. Ew! Oh my God! Look at it raining on it.
Ready? Take off. You take.
Wow.
You take. No, not right. I thought grandma was
Yo, this is amazing.
Almost done, guys. Good job.
Whew. We still have like
I'm not even full.
300 shrimps here because they're like so small.
Like, now you're gonna take the lemon again. You're gonna dip it in first. If I can.
Yeah.
Come on.
Can you dip it again?
Well, at least I can say I tasted it.
Yo. Now we're gonna be like, what's up, my beloved?
You guys should
Yeah.
send it to her.
We will. Ooh! That's amazing. Bethany, you're amazing. We need to be on your video.
Ooh.
Bloveslife.
Oh, I thought you said Bethany.
Her name is Bethany.
Oh.
That's the beef.
Whew. I'm full.
You nice?
Yo. We pretty much devoured everything here. We have a.
Finish the sausage.
We-
Well,
yeah.
there's like one piece of sausage.
We have like,
The lemons are done.
yeah.
You just baked the sausage last time, huh?
Huh? Yeah.
Just baked it like
And
put
then you
it
dip it in the sauce.
Mm-hmm.
You take your rice.
How do you usually boil?
the bacon. I like the sweetness.
Yeah. I like the bacon.
I'm doing it.
She's like, you take it right, and then you put this in. It's weird. Eat over there. Yo, this is Diva.
Next time you guys should have the cuffs.
Oh yeah.
Yo, next time, we're coming.
have the-
We're coming. We're coming strong next time. You're gonna see lobster tail.
Yeah, next time you should have a headband. Look, leave me else.
I'm gonna come get it up like I'm about to play basketball, okay? I'm telling you right now, the next video, the next seafood boil we do, is going down,
You're
okay?
gonna have the
And if you want to
crab
sponsor the next seafood boil,
sponsor.
God bless you. That's all we have to say. We take the Costco shrimp, the Costco crab leg. Everything has to come from Costco. Whew. Yo, all right. I think I'm gonna call it. She's gonna do one more, okay?
No.
We've been out here for almost 30 minutes now.
Really?
Yes. All right, let me get one more shrimp in.
Okay, we'll do it.
Oh, you stand it over there.
Okay.
You did?
Right.
You did?
I'm gonna dip.
Wait.
Gonna dip, lemon dip, okay?
Look at all
You get the
that.
dip, and then we're gonna get some lemon rain on the baby. Hot drip, drip, drip,
I'll
drip.
eat it.
All right.
Are you gonna save this sauce for later?
Yeah. I'm also dressing here. I'm gonna freeze this mug.
Ready?
All right, I'm gonna dip one more time.
All right, goodbye, family.
All right, there it is. Ready,
One,
man?
2,
3.
Bye, Julian.
Don't got some rice. Whew. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Ding, ding, ding. So you know when we upload. Help me get to my 1,000 subscriber goal. The next 100, we'll do a giveaway. All right. Thank you. Shout out to B-Love. Shout out to Eva Kim. Woo! Amazing. All right. See you next time. Okay. And we're out. And we're out. Hey.